Okay, guys, I just heard a weird noise, so I'm gonna go out there. But my sister's gonna stay in here and leave me, and I'm why I go. Mila, are you gonna go with me? So you don't get hurt or something? If something comes in here? What if something comes in here? Why I'm trying to go find it. Pause it real quick. Mila. Mila. Hey.